How to make effective marketing strategy using videos without an agency. In a moment, I'll show you how to actually achieve that, to establish effective marketing strategy using videos on YouTube without using an agency. Why is that? Well, first of all, because agencies can be quite expensive. So if you just check on YouTube, average costs for finished minute or a video are 1 to 5,000. It's quite a lot, definitely. So even if they go and film something, it's 75 to 150 dollars per hour. And then, of course, on the top of that, it's usually also some post-production and so on. That's usually just the filming. So yeah, it can cost you several $1,000s per minute, or even less, even for a 30-second video. So it's really a lot. And also, apart from that, you'll also have to pay for various services like web development and so on. So if you know what the message is, what you want to convey to your audience, it's quite easy and simple to explain that within a couple of videos, which can be produced in a really simple and effective way like this. Because it's not so much about the form, about the format. It's mostly about the content, the message, and the information that you convey in the videos. So if you know who your target audience is, what are their challenges, pains, problems, and if you have a solution that can deliver a solution to this problem and a transformation from this current status to a better world in the future, I'm sure that everyone will be very happy to contact you and try to get this solution, or at least most of the people, of course. So yeah, my suggestion is do some research by yourself. Think about your audience, think about their problems, think about the benefits that you can deliver, and then just simply shoot a couple of videos about that by yourself. As mentioned before, you can do it with simple tools, maybe do some just like PowerPoint presentation or something like that, and just do the screen capture of that. Another option is, of course, to use, I don't know, phone or a camera and film yourself explaining this, or maybe just use Zoom, so you can simply also show yourself on Zoom. But if you're camera shy and you don't want to show your face, there are many other options how to do that in a simple and effective way. So yes, the most important things are the problems of your target audience and the benefits, and it's important that you are able to deliver those benefits, or at least explain them within those videos, and I'm sure you'll get a lot of results. Okay, so if you have any other questions or comments, let me know in the comments, of course. And in the next video, I'll be talking about how to do effective marketing strategy for B2C products. Okay, hope to see you soon. Bye.